Too loud? Meet Eddie. Eddie was a giant elephant with even more giant ears. But while other elephants loved the loud trumpets of the jungle, to Eddie, every sound felt like a thunderstorm. The parrots screamed, the monkeys crashed, and the thunder rumbled. Eddie's head began to spin. He wanted to hide, but he was too big to disappear. He covered his ears with his trunk and felt like crying. Everything was just too much. Then Eddie found a secret cave behind a waterfall. Inside, it was cool and quiet. He took 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. He realized he didn't have to be loud to be big. He could carry his quiet place inside his heart, even when the world got noisy. Eddie learned that it's okay to need a break. Having sensitive ears just means you can hear the smallest, most beautiful songs that others miss. Protect your peace. It's your superpower. Find your quiet kids. But where is your favorite quiet place? Tell us. Subscribe for 30 days of magic.